No, at 6 is a story that grabbed attention across the nation, and you saw it first on 13 News Now.
Take your seatbelt off and get out of the car.
This video shows two Windsor police officer pepper spray Army Lieutenant Caron Nazario during a traffic stop. Now, 18 months later, there is still no trial date in the lawsuit he filed.
Nazario says the police officers violated his civil rights. Allison Basil spoke to his attorney and NAACP leaders about the delay.
What's going on is you're fixing to ride the lightning, son.
This body camera video shows the violent traffic stop at a Windsor gas station on December 5th, 2020.
I'm honestly afraid to get out. Can I?
Yeah, you should be. Get out.
In the video, Army Lieutenant Caron Nazario gets screamed at, then pepper sprayed by former Windsor police officer Joe Gutierrez. Department leaders said Nazario did not have a visible license plate and did not pull over right away. Attorney Jonathan Arthur said his client drove to a well-lit gas station.
He's still in the process of healing and recovering.
Last year, Lieutenant Nazario filed a lawsuit against Gutierrez and the other police officer involved, Daniel Crocker. Nearly a year and a half later, Arthur says there is no set court date.
District courts are real backed up at the moment because of the COVID delays that we experienced.
He says both parties are waiting for the court's summary of judgment motion.
The district court wants to give us enough time to process the order when it comes out.
Following Nazario's lawsuit, former Attorney General Mark Herring filed a case against the town of Windsor. A spokesman said Herring's office found evidence Windsor police officers would disproportionately pull over black drivers for traffic stops.
All we ask for is just a level of accountability.
Attorney General Jason Miyares took over in November. A spokeswoman at his office says they don't comment on pending litigation. A spokesman for the Isle of Wight NAACP, Brandon Randleman, says the group hopes the ball is still rolling.
We've been in contact with officials from the United States Justice Department.
Randleman says they are looking at taking Herring's findings to the Civil Rights Division within the U.S. Department of Justice.
We made a request of the United States Justice Department to open up a patterns and practice case into the Windsor Police Department.
Why am I being treated like this? This is really messed up.
In May 2021, Town of Windsor officials announced they invested $25,000 for an outside company to update the police department's policies. Town manager William Saunders says the police department has worked with that company to create a new policy manual that will have more than 140 policies for the department compared to the 51 it listed previously. Saunders says Windsor police officers have done a citizen and officers encounters training, de-escalation strategies training, traffic stops training, and more. In Windsor, Allison Basil, 13 News Now.
Town of Windsor manager William Saunders tells us they haven't released all of the new policies. He says they will release the rest in the coming months. We asked for examples of some of the new policies, and we are still waiting to hear back.